Look up at the night sky, and you see countless stars. Each one is a sun, often with its own planets, residing within our home galaxy, the Milky Way. But our galaxy is not alone in the vast cosmic ocean. Just over 2.5 million light-years away lies our largest galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy. It's a majestic spiral, even larger than our own, containing perhaps 1 trillion stars. For eons, these two colossal structures have been moving through space. What's fascinating is that they are not drifting apart. Instead, they are hurtling towards each other at immense speeds. Current measurements indicate Andromeda is approaching the Milky Way at roughly 110 kilometers per second. This cosmic convergence is not a matter of if, but when. The gravitational pull between these two giants is the driving force. Scientists predict that in about 4 billion years, the initial stages of this grand cosmic event will begin. This isn't a sudden crash. It will be a slow, drawn-out process unfolding over hundreds of millions of years. Think of it less like a head-on collision and more like a long, gravitational embrace. A common misconception is that when galaxies collide, stars within them smash into each other. Given the sheer number of stars, this seems intuitive. However, the reality is far different. Space is incredibly vast, even within a galaxy. The distances between individual stars are enormous compared to their size. If our sun were a grain of sand, the nearest star would be miles away. So, if stars don't collide, what happens? The primary interaction is gravitational. As the galaxies pass through each other, their immense gravitational fields will tug and pull on everything within. This gravitational dance will dramatically alter the paths of stars, gas clouds, and dark matter. Orbits will be disrupted, and stellar streams will be pulled out into vast cosmic tendrils. Over millions of years, the two galaxies will merge, their structures intertwining and settling. The spiral arms will be distorted and eventually disappear. The end result will be a single, larger, more elliptical galaxy. This new entity has already been given a potential name, Milkomeda, or sometimes Milkomeda. What about our solar system and Earth during this cosmic upheaval? While the galaxy around us will be dramatically reshaped, the chances of our sun directly colliding with another star are incredibly low. However, the gravitational forces could significantly alter the sun's orbit within the new galaxy. It might be flung into a different region, perhaps further from the galactic core, or even potentially ejected into intergalactic space. By the time this collision occurs, in 4 billion years, Earth's environment will likely be vastly different. The sun will be much brighter and hotter, potentially rendering the planet uninhabitable long before the galactic merger is complete. The collision of Andromeda and the Milky Way is a powerful reminder of the dynamic nature of the universe. Galaxies are not static islands, they are part of a cosmic ballet driven by gravity. This future event, though unimaginably distant in time, highlights the grand scale of cosmic evolution. It shows us that even the largest structures we know are constantly changing, merging, and evolving over billions of years.